Hello everybody, how are you? Okay, so it's our next phonics lesson and we've got our 3 jobs on the board first thing, so I need you to join me. Our top job here, it says we've got the alphabet song, so remember you can join in with me as well. Are you ready? We're going to sing it 2 times. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, well done everybody. Our next job here in the green, it says that we're going to be reading some of our tricky words. So I need you to help me. I'll give you a count of 3 and then you tell me what the word is. Are you ready? Here we are. We'll start at this end today. 1, 2, 3. Her. 1, 2, 3. You. 1, 2, 3. My. 1, 2, 3. Are. 1, 2, 3. She. 1, 2, 3. Was. And the last one. 1, 2, 3. Me. Well done. Now, hopefully you've got some paper there that you can practice with. Maybe you might have a go if you've got your exercise book, or you might want to try it in a plate filled with some flour or some sand or salt or something like that. To practice the letter L. So we're going to have a go at the letter L today. Here we go. Nice and easy, starting at the top, all the way down and flick. Can you see I've made mine stand on the line there as well? Have another go, top to bottom and flick. You might want to have a go doing it in the air, down and flick, or you could have a go on your hand, down and flick. I'm going to pause there. You can pause the video and then come back when you've done some for me. Okay, how many did you do? Do they all look lovely? Are they nice and straight and tall like that? Okay, let's move on, shall we? Next page. Here we are. We're going to do our phonemes. Let's go through them. All right, we'll go through one time and then you can go through by yourselves. Here we go. First one. Z. X. J. V. Qu. Ooh. And last one. Oh, qu. Okay, it's your go now. Are you ready? I'm not going to say them this time. You tell me what they are. Okay, well done. Let's move on to the next one. Remember, these are some of our digraphs. Here we are. So remember, the TH together, it makes 2 sounds. We've got the f and v. Ng. Sh. Ch. Z. Now it's your go. Have a go by yourselves. Here we are. Okay, let's move on so we can do some blending. Are you ready? Here we are. So, let's look. We've got our 3 phoneme blocks there. We've got our consonant, vowel, consonant. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's blend these together. Now we can't do that one. Let's do this one. Z, o, j, zudge, zudge. Doesn't sound right, does it? But we've used our phonics. Have a go with this next one. There we are. I'm going to change that one. Oh dear. Oh my goodness me. Okay, let's try this one. O, Let's blend it. Mom. What's the word? Mom. And in America, I think that's what a lot of children call mum. They call them mom. Here we go. Let's try this one. Ooh. A. Let's put it together. Waff. Waff. Okay. Let's go on to today's digraph. And here it is. It's the letter A and the letter R. Okay, and you're going to go R. And sometimes that's the sound you might make at the doctor's or at the dentist's. So sometimes the doctor might go, put your finger and they go R, R. So here it is when we write it. I'm going to choose one of my special pens. Here we go. I'm going to go for a rainbow today, I think. And here we are. So it's the letter A and the letter R. Down, up and over. Now, you can have a go at doing it like that. Or if you want to, you could have a go at doing it joined up like this. You're going to go around for the A. And then when you do your flick, it goes up to the top. You're going to go down and up and over like that. That's the AR. I'm going to pause it just there so you can have a quick practice. Okay, so pause the video, do that a few times for me and then come back. Well done. How many did you do? Did you get lots of them? Did you have a nice long line? Brilliant. So, here we are. Let's have a look. This is my turn first, and I'm going to blend this. Here we go. Let me change back to my normal pen. Here we are. I can see the AR, R, in the middle there. I've got my phonemes at the beginning and the end. Here we go. Art, cart, cart. Now a cart is something that a horse might pull behind them, and you might be able to be inside that as well. So you have a horse and cart where you've got the rider on the cart, and sometimes he's got some things behind him as well. Now, the next word, this is for all of us to have a go at. Are you ready? Here we go. Can you see where the digraph is? Where is it? Is it at the beginning? Is it in the middle? Or at the end? It's in the middle, isn't it? Here it is. There we are. There's my phoneme button. And then beginning and end as well there. Let's have a go blending it together, shall we? K-a-d. K-a-d. Card. What's the word? Card. That's right. So you might have a birthday card or a Christmas card. You might get an Eid card as well. All right. Or sometimes you do some drawing on some card and you cut it out. So well done. Now we're going to have a go. Here we go. All right. Oops. At segmenting. Now this one's for me. This is my turn. And I can see we've got a dog there making a lot of noise. What does a dog do? That's right. They go woof. What else do they do? They bark, don't they? Bark. And that's using my digraph here. So let's put that word into our mouth. And let's say bark. Bark. Let's stretch it out. B-ark. And again. B-ark. Okay. So if I have a go at doing that, here we go. I've got my B. Remember, it's the bat and the ball. Got my R digraph in the middle here. Bark. Now remember, when I've got the k at the end of a word, if it's after a digraph, I don't do the CK, do I? But if it's after a short sound, then it'll be the CK. But here's my long vowel digraph. B, A, K. Okay? Here we are. The next picture here, it looks like the park. And that's the word. We've got park. Put that into your mouth, please. And say the word park. Now stretch it out. Park. And again. Park. Okay. I'm going to pause the video there. You stop as well. And then come back when you're ready. And you've written this word. So, park. Have a go. Okay, so here's park. It starts with the P. Here we are. And then we've got the R digraph. So remember it's here. And last time I joined it up. So this time I'm just going to do it separate, like that. P, R, K. And it's the same sound at the end like last time. So park. Okay, let's move on to our last part. Here we go. Wow, look at this. We've got right in the middle of the bullseye. Here we go. And this is a dart. So here we are. Let's look at this sentence. Do you know any of these words? You should, because I've used some of your keywords. Here we are. We've got the. We know that one. We're very good at that. We've also got one at the beginning here. This one says my, and it's on your keywords. So we know that one, my. So we've got my something, it hit. My something hit the, let's have a go at this long word, shall we? Ooh, it's that digraph again. Target. Target. My something hit the target. And the word is dart. I'd like you to either have a go at just writing the word dart, or you could try the whole sentence. My dart hit the target. Can you say that? My dart hit the target. Have a go and pause the video. How did you do? Did you manage it? It was a little bit tricky, wasn't it, today? Here we are. We've got D. Remember the dog's head, his ears and his tail. D. R. T. There we are. My dart hit the target. Well done, everybody. Okay, we'll stop there, but come back soon for the next phonics video. Take care. See you later. Bye.